Do you know that there are a lot of AI tools that can create image for you by just you mentioning to the artificial intelligence what kind of images that you want to create? So if let's say you want to know how I can create and draw an image so easily within 5 seconds using this AI tool, remember to stay to the end. So recently I just discovered this super amazing AI creation tool that is absolutely free for use. So it is called Midjourney. So if let's say you want to use this Midjourney, all you have to do is just to go Google, right? Midjourney. Okay, and then as you Google and go there, you'll realize that they will actually ask you to sign in Discord. Right, so basically the entire module is actually available in Discord. So right now I'm over at the Midjourney. They should ask you to join. You can join the beta. It's absolutely for free. Okay, they will bring you to the Discord channel, which I am in right now. You will have to agree to the certain terms and conditions. And remember, so you just automatically accept the invite. So one thing to remember, the images that are produced in Discord Midjourney, it's only for your personal use unless you actually upgrade your account by becoming a paying premium member. That I believe you have the commercial license. But I want to show you guys how cool is this and then how easy it is to use Midjourney to create tons of amazing graphics. Like you can see, this is all graphics that you create using Midjourney. So what I need to do is just it is really very flexible. What I need to do is go over to one of the rooms in the Discord of Midjourney. So let me just go to the maybe newbie 54 in Midjourney. And as you want to create that, you would want to input / imagine. So this is something like a prompt to the Midjourney to create image with Midjourney. All right. So you want to / imagine, prompt them. Image of a handsome, no, not handsome, it's a pretty lady Chinese who is holding a balloon and looking happy. So perhaps I want to have a portrait. Okay, so let's just try that. So after that, just hit on enter. And as you can see, it will actually shows that it is waiting to start because the Midjourney bot will be creating images for other people. It is actually creating pretty fast, right? So right now it's 0%. They will usually give you like few choices. So right now they are actually giving me 4. So mine is over here. So this is how it looks like. And it's still creating 62%. 93%, and let's go to 100%. There you go. Yeah, isn't it pretty cool? Looking happy, portrait, red balloons, and let's try something. Okay, imagine. Maybe I like to create a cartoon, right? Imagine a cute little dragon. Baby dragon, I love baby dragon with big eye, smiling at you, ready to fly in a sky that it's blue. Okay, maybe I would like to pick the dragon color. So let's put the dragon color is like a red and orange color. And the sky is blue. Yeah, let's try that, okay? So, remember, the prompt is / imagined and just describe as detailed as possible and just hit enter. I don't know, I feel like this is so fun. Like, basically, you can create anything in your mind right now, like by just having this Midjourney to do it for us. So we have our little cutie baby dragon. So it is still at 0%. 31%. So I think a lot of this couldn't be made possible without the artificial intelligence. So yeah, it is pretty cool. Okay, I think it's nearly done. So let's see. Yeah, here's our baby dragon. Okay, isn't it cute? I really love that. So I haven't tried that out, but I believe that there are a few different kind of versions of the pictures that you may want to have. So you can actually click this. I'm not sure what it does, but yeah, you guys can click this and have a play. So it is super duper simple using this Midjourney, and it's absolutely for free if you are just using it for the personal use. Okay, I hope that you guys loving it, and if let's say you've been loving this tutorial and like really having a lot of fun with these baby little dragons, it really look like Stitch right now, as I can see. Okay, so if let's say you really love this cutie little tutorial using AI to create image absolutely for free, feel free to give me some comments down below or to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if let's say you would like to receive so many different tutorials from me, just go over to join my Facebook group, which is www.amazingstory.co. And I hope that you guys loving this. And also, if let's say you want to create live videos anytime and anywhere and you are running out of ideas, feel free to download our free 30-day live video ideas at link.junlo.co/free30. And I look forward to the next video then. Take care. Bye.